Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to compare the vibration intensity of feedback between all of these four smartphones which I got right now. So in this video, I'll try to use only the keyboards. So let's see which phone has got really stronger haptic feedbacks when you're trying to type on the keyboard. That is what my main point of comparing all the four smartphones. So let's get started friends with the first phone, which is the Realme X7 Max. With the Realme X7 Max, let's see what are the options we do have in the vibrations option. Is there any kind of intensity to increase or decrease? Yes, there is an intensity to increase and decrease, as you can see. So right now I'm trying to select to the maximum intensity during this process of demonstration, as you can see friends. So even with the keyboard vibrations also, I did not do any kind of changes with the keyboard vibrations. I don't need to exactly use the keyboard right now to type, and I'll try to keep the mic exactly on the phone, so you will be able to understand how is the intensity you are getting in the Realme X7 Max while you're typing. Now you should be able to hear the sound coming. So let me know in the comment section below friends, which keyboard vibration you felt really stronger. That is what I am looking of the comments. So now let's move to the next phone, which is a Poco F3 GT device. So we do have the Poco F3 GT's vibration option as well. So is the intensity level I increased to the maximum intensity. Okay, and now let me need to open the keyboard in this phone, and I'll try to type right now on the keyboard. Let me type on the keyboard. So now let's move to the next phone, which is a Oneplus Nord 2. Let's see then the Oneplus Nord 2, what are the settings we're having in the vibration intensity. As you can see, everything I did set to the maximum to notification. So right now I'll be able to only type. So let's see, vibrate on touch. Now I'll try to go to the keyboard and try to type the keyboard. Let's see what will happen. So now I'll try to show you the final, which is iQOO 7's keyboard. Let's see. So in the iQOO 7 device, you don't have any option to increase or decrease the intensity level. Nothing. No. So always the phone will be set to the maximum intensity only. Some people they don't like. Some people they are not bothered about this kind of thing. But I'm just letting you know there is no setting for the vibration haptic feedback. So for the keyboard there is the option, but right now I'm not changing any kind of keyboards at all. So I'll try to exactly show you what is the haptic feedback in this iQOO 7 device. So the strongest haptic feedbacks I did feel was a Oneplus Nord 2 and the iQOO 7 device. They both have the really strongest haptic feedbacks. When you're using keyboard to type, I can definitely feel that kind of stronger. Yes, I can actually feel much stronger in the Oneplus Nord 2. Oneplus Nord 2 has got really a kind of premium kind of haptic feedback. Same kind of close to OnePlus 9R device and other phones out there haptic feedback. Same kind of haptic feedbacks you can expect in the Oneplus Nord 2. In the iQOO 7 also has got really very strong haptic feedbacks. Very strong. If you did not use the iQOO 7 device once, just try using the iQOO 7 device for the keyboard. You'll absolutely feel the difference. When you're trying to use the keyboard, so try to hold the phone from the top side. So in this way, try to hold it from the top side, and you can actually feel the haptic feedbacks even from the top side as well. So it's kind of 4D haptic feedbacks. That's fantastic. That's the one thing which I did like. And the Oneplus Nord 2 has only got bottom haptic feedbacks only in the bottom. That's kind of good, no problem. Because whenever you try to type it, you'll be holding the phone in this manner, so no issues. And the Poco F3 GT has also got the haptic feedbacks kind of good, but not as strong as Oneplus Nord 2, I would say. The OnePlus Nord 2 has got slightly more stronger, little bit more stronger than this phone. That is what I did feel in my uses of experiencing. These two phones, slightly stronger, just a little bit. And on the other hand, the Realme X7 Max has also got the stronger haptic feedbacks. Yes, even this phone has got stronger haptic feedbacks. And this is another phone where you can actually feel the haptic feedbacks even from the top side as well. When you try to type on the keyboard, try to hold the phone in this manner. And then you can actually feel the haptics coming from even from top side. Even this phone has got the 4D vibration haptic feedback in the software, but still only few games you can actually play with that. So friends, this is a quick comparison between all of these 4 smartphones in terms of the haptic feedback intensity, because I'm getting plenty of comments on these phones. So that is the reason I thought of doing this kind of epic comparison, so it might be clearing all the doubts for most of the users as well. So see you in the next video friends. Early and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, so don't forget to check the playlist which I uploaded for all the users. You can actually follow the playlist and you'll get a clear idea which phone to buy and which phone to not to buy. See you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.